Hello, everyone. My name is Prasant Mohapatra. I am an NIT alumni of the year 1987. At present, I serve as the Vice Chancellor for Research at the University of California, Davis. Today, I want to take this opportunity to share with you an exciting planning process to create a vision fund for NIT Rourkela. And I truly believe that we can, and we want to, and we will achieve success in this mission. So, first, let's have a look at our institute. We have 6 decades of legacy. We are heading on to the celebration of our Diamond Jubilee. We have emerged as an institute of national importance. We are third among all the NITs, and there are 31 NITs in the nation. We are one of the leading NIT in research. Our NIRF ranking is 32nd in the overall category and 16th in engineering. At present, we have 20 departments supported by 365 faculty and an equal number of staff. Point to note over here is that the institute has emerged from a teaching only type of organization to teaching and research university. We have about 7,000 students now, and 40% of them are postgraduates, and more than 1,000 of them are PhD students. And above all, our institute has 25,000 strong alumni base. And this is what we want to leverage in order to make our institute one of the finest in the nation as well as in the world. So the first question is, why do we need an alumni endowment fund? As you all know, the government funding has been shrinking, and we are lagging in supporting the research infrastructure that is needed in order to be one of the leading institute of the nation. There are inherent challenges in attracting top faculty because of the low funding and lack of incentives. And as always, we have to strive to improve our brand and perception value, given that the competition has been rising. There are about 23 IITs in the nation now. So, talking about IITs, let's do a simple comparison of the endowment fund. And if you see the table on to your right, some of these IITs, the endowment fund varies between 300 crores to 1,000 crores, and they are planning to scale it up significantly. We have a meager amount in our endowment fund of only 5 crores. So, our goal here is to make a commitment to increase it to at least 100 crore by the year 2025. Now, how do we do it and how do we manage it? So the plan is to create a giving platform, and the funds collected through this platform will be invested. The returns of those investment will be vested on in the institute mission for achieving the goals of Vision 2025. Working in close collaborations between NITR, NITROAA, and NITRA, a good governance plan has been developed. I will not get into the detail, but we'll share that governance plans through the electronic medium. And we will also have a structure for periodic reporting of all the activities. So a lot of effort has gone behind the screen in making this, bringing this to the current stage where it is, and we have already started gathering a significant amount of pledge. Now, I want to highlight some of the areas where we will be investing or we will be focusing in order to advance the institute. So the four pillars that we'll be looking at are research, faculty, students, and infrastructure. We want to develop a set of centers of excellence. We want to improve the quality of research to make more societal impacts. In order to do that, we want to improve the quality of faculty and also provide enough opportunities for them for their career growth. We want to promote the students in their learning experience. We want to support the students, those who are not as privileged as others. And in parallel with all of this, we want to improve the infrastructure improvement and enhancement of the laboratories, the equipment. These are extremely important to make a strong um, learning enterprise. Some of these things are already in process. We created the research centers related to poverty alleviation, and we are in the process of creating another research center related to IoTs. Similarly, we are working on establishing international collaborations and faculty visit for international exposure. A significant amount of work has been done in raising funds for scholarships for students, those who are in need. And in parallel, there has been a lot of effort in providing infrastructure and facilitation of services for students, especially in the campus by and the alumni group. Kudos to all those efforts. We want to do more.
Hello everyone, I am Manas Panda, 1992 alumnus. I'm a tech enthusiast and currently building cloud security products for Cisco systems. As Prasant Bhai said, NITR has transformed to a teaching and research institute. However, its research and innovation wing is lagging behind the peers, and the availability of fund is one of the main reasons. On this occasion of Diamond Jubilee year, the NITR fraternity has taken a pledge to bootstrap the NITR research enterprise. I want to talk to you about two things. First, the center of excellence being the execution engine to impact each of these pillars, the research, faculty, student, and infrastructure. And second, how each one of you can make an impact to NITR success. Currently, most of the research activities are restricted to department level research labs and centers. There are 10 of them. The faculty mostly work within the department, and the interdepartment collaboration is limited. As a result, the research output in terms of quality papers, sponsored research, patents, and bigger government grants are very, very limited. Based on its current expertise, NITR envisions to grow these department level labs into theme-based multidisciplinary center of research excellences with tight engagement with industry and international collaboration. After the Poverty Alleviation Research Center, the second one, the Center for IoT and Emerging Technology, is being set up right now. Beyond that, there are centers on advanced nanotechnology, steel research, sustainable energy, advanced material, and health sciences have been conceived for future. The role of NITR Vision Fund will be to bootstrap these centers with seed capital until they become self-sustaining within a period of 5 years. Now, talking about the second center for IoT and emerging technology is going to be a multidisciplinary center for applied research and product development, leveraging IoT and other emerging technologies like 5G, AI, ML security for applications in the area of agriculture and flood management, energy efficiency, industrial automation, smart environments, and precision medicine. There is a group of passionate faculty leaders across departments of electronics, computer science, electrical, mechanical, and mining, along with some alumni, are working together to put together an execution plan with clear objectives, actions, and key results for this center. Now, why the Center of Research Excellence? Who do they benefit? Who are the customers? There are multiple stakeholders who benefit from the Center of Excellence. First, the faculty. The faculty from different departments with complementary skills, they come together and collaborate and lead the research and innovation at these centers. It boosts the consultancy and sponsored research as well. So this makes the faculty more engaged and they build rewarding careers. Second is the students. The students get hands-on experience and training on this cutting edge technology. And as a result, they're better prepared for their careers, be in industry or in academia. Third, the institute with the increased research output from this research center leads to top NITR ranking. It attracts top student and faculty and employers and the funds as well. So this helps in NITR pursuit to be the number one NIT and among the top 10 engineering colleges. The industry is another stakeholder who benefits. They are the customers of this research center, and also they are the partners of the product and solution that are built. And the sponsored projects from the industry help center self-sustainability over a period of time. And the society at large is also the beneficiary of the center of excellences. The product and solutions built in these centers transform the lives of the self-reliant India. Last but not the least, alumni. So they are an important stakeholders of the Center of Excellence. They're the collaborator and advisors from industry and academia. And also a strong NITR brand helps the careers of all of the alumni. Now, what are the different ways to support NITR vision? There are essentially three ways. The first is to contribute towards the NITR Vision General Fund, and the proceeds supports the greatest needs at NITR. The second is to create individual legacy by supporting existing initiatives, big or small, like the student travel, faculty exchange, or center of excellence. The third one is to create batch legacies. This is where the batches on Silver Jubilee and Golden Jubilee anniversaries champion big initiatives to make significant impact to our alma mater. Looking at our peers, NITR track record for batch legacy has been very poor because of various systemic issues. Only a handful of batches have created batch legacies. NITR Vision Fund platform makes it super simple to establish batch legacies. One of the flexible options we have created is the batch legacy for NITR Excellence, which is a slice of the NITR Vision Fund. And the batches can restrict their legacy to a lab, a department, a research center, or any other project. The 1992 batch has created a batch legacy for NITR Excellence with the goal to create an endowment of more than 2 crores in 5 years. This endowment will support the next Center of Excellence, which is the Center for IoT and Emerging Technology, with 90% fund in perpetuity. We are partnering with 1990 batch, and we need 3 other batches to join us in this endeavor. I cannot stress enough on the importance of the batch legacy project. If you have graduated before 2000 and have not created any batch legacy, please create one with NITR Vision Fund. So I want you to take away 2 things from NITR Vision Fund. First, the Multidisciplinary Center of Research Excellence is the execution engine for NITR growth. And second, create a batch legacy if you have not done already. Visit nitrodan.org to make a pledge and help us establish the 100 crore NITR Vision Fund to support excellence in research and innovation at NIT Rourkela. Thank you very much.